Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the hot air balloons doodles. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. Without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. First, I'm drawing a big circle and then over underneath it, and then I connect them both. And then you can draw a small basket below. There's so many different options, but the basic one is to do the sort of vertical stripe. And you have to follow the curves of the hot air balloon. After you outline it with your fine liner, and then you can color in with your color pencil. You can definitely use the color you want and just be creative. Basically, this is a simplified version of a hot air balloon and it's pretty easy to draw. So when I am coloring it, I like to make one side darker than the other side because it looks more 3D. I wanted to show you a couple other designs. So all other designs still gonna start out the same way. So for this one, I am going with the zigzag at the center. So I'm drawing some vertical stripes, again following the curve of the hot air balloon. And you can definitely change out the color palette depending on what you are going for. So this is the fun way to color in your hot air balloon because it gives it a lot of visual interest, and at the same time you can play around with the color. So for the third version, we are going to start with the same base. So first draw a circle and then an over underneath it, and then connect the two shapes, and then draw a small basket below. It is almost as if you are drawing a seashell. I'm going to put on the color. You will see one side is darker than the other side, so this will create a 3D effect. And this is also one of the ways you guys can fill in the pattern. And then you can also draw some small clouds to fill up the space. You can use your own imagination to fill out the background. For me, I went for a sort of narrative style. So these are the few more versions of the hot air balloons. So since this is not a watercolor paper, I have to do it very carefully, otherwise the paper is gonna peel off. And this is just want to show you another style. The best is if you can use watercolor paper, it will create better effect. Basically, this is the same way of coloring. One side is darker than the other side. So I have to control the amount of water that I used and also have to let it completely dry because the paper is a little bit peeled off. I let the paint to smudge out and to create this kind of dreamy look. When I am coloring it, I also kind of keeping in mind the light source. So you will see that one side is darker than the other side. It makes it look like the sun is coming in from the top left. And now I'm going to outline them. Alright everyone, so that was how to draw my versions of the hot air balloons. If you haven't subscribed my channels, please click the subscribe button down below. Anyways, I hope all of you guys have an awesome day. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!